Oh no, Dad Goombas gonna get more Luigi! I gotta save him! Oh my gosh, ow! Oh, my back! Mario, what? You should have just let the Goomba hit me. It would have been less painful. Okay. Yeah! I killed the Mario Brothers! Woohoo! Do my head spinning! Woohoo! Oh my god! Mario, you're stupid. I'm not stupid. No, not the stairs! Crap, not the stairs again! Whoa! Ow! Oh! My life stinks.
Luigi, you're gonna die from pushing me down the stairs. Yeah, you're gonna die. Get out of here, you loser. Ah! Ow! Now, where was I? Oh yeah, die, Luigi. Yeah, I showed him. Whoa, ho, ho!